Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I wanted to show you how to whip up these cute little baker's boxes. They're so simple. You could really use any dies or stamps or ribbon or whatever you have. And these would work for, they're food safe little boxes, but I'm whipping some up for Christmas time and I thought I would show you. All right, so the first thing you need are the baker's boxes. And I believe they come with 8 in a package, but when they come, they look like this. And as I said, they are food safe, so they have the seal on them. So what I like to do is I like to just fold each of the score lines. So I'm going to go this way. Very simple. And then these come in, these ones come in. All right, so to fold up the box, I take my little flaps in, and then you just fold this right over the top and push in, and the tabs go into the little holes there, and then push these tabs in and close your box. Now obviously if you wanted to fill them with treats, right now would be a good time to do it, I guess. Well, I would decorate the box first, but then you'd want to fill your treat before you put the ribbon over the top of the ribbon. This is what they look like, and there's a little window so you could see in. So this would be really cute for Christmas cookies, any kind of Christmas goodies, fudge, something along those lines. A little mini pie. So these are a lot of fun. All right, so I wanted to decorate them just really simple, and you see the edges of the box are just plain. There's also the bottom of the box. So I grabbed paper from the, I believe it's called Frost. Let me check just to make sure. It is called Feels Like Frost Designer Series paper, and it's 6x6 paper. And so one side has all these different wonderful silver colored papers, and I'll show you on the other boxes. And then the other side has, you know, these kind of like frosty scenes. It's really pretty paper. So anyway, you need 4 pieces, and let's see what these are cut at. These are cut at, I believe they're 4, yep, 4 by, I did 1 3/4. You could actually even go a little bit wider if you want, but this is what I liked, so that there was a little bit of a border. And I'm just gonna flip them all over, move my box out of the way here, and stick some adhesive on the back. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna grab our box, and this side has the little divot in it, but I don't mind if it covers it a little bit. So I want to have a little bit of a white border. Let me stick that on. I love this polka dot, the silver with the white dots, but you know I'm a huge polka dot fan. Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And like I said, you could do something on the bottom if you really wanted to. All right, so there, now our box has the cute little sides. Okay, and then all I'm gonna do is just tie a ribbon and decorate the top. So before I do that, I grabbed the free skate. I actually didn't even use the stamp set. What I grabbed is, but isn't this an awesome stamp set? Okay, I actually grabbed the detailed skate dies. Sorry, now it's all stuck together. There we go. So it has this cool garland, I guess, a ribbon. This is like the blade for a skate. I think this must cut out, yeah, this holly. And then it has this die right here. So I ran this die through my Big Shot with the silver foil to get this guy right here. You could use any die cutting machine you have that works with our dies. So see, this one's silver, and this is the silver foil. Doesn't that look so cool? And then with there's another die, and I know you can't really see it yet, but it looks just like this, and I'll show you in a second. And I ran this through on the silver glimmer paper, and you can see it's still stuck in there real good. So I was going to show you that once you run it through, just go ahead and set it down on your little mat, and the I forget what we call this, our multi 5-in-1, I forget what this tool is called. This take your pick tool, whatever, it's at the bottom of your screen. There's a die brush, and you just simply like unscrew whatever you had in there. I think I had the putty in there, and then you just screw this one in. It's so easy, and this die brush works really well. And so you would just run it over, and you can't hurt your die, so don't ever feel like you can. Give it a good push, and I want to push until it's all cleared out. That looks like it's all cleared out, and then it should pop right out. Yep, and there is my skate. Isn't that so cool? I love it. And see, this is what the die looks like. So I'm going to stick this back in here so I don't lose it. Okay, so now I have my die, and this I can just put in my garbage. Let me put that in my garbage before I forget. All right. All right, so I took these two little skates, and I'm going to just grab a mini glue dot and stick a mini glue dot right there. And I'm going to stick it right on here just so they're kind of overlapping a little like that. And then I'm going to grab one more mini glue dot, put it on the back, and I'm going to set this aside for a second. Let's grab my box again. All right, so just to finish it off, I have the, let's see, this is Cherry Cobbler, and it's called the Diagonal Stripe Ribbon. Isn't this fantastic ribbon? I love how this ribbon, it's like, well, to me, it obviously candy canes reminds me of, but it's the red, I think it's actually very vanilla stripes. Could be white though. It kind of goes with whatever. But on the other side, it's like almost, well, it's like the opposite. So you could use it two different ways depending on what look you're going for. All right, so I'm going to grab this ribbon, and I want to tie it around the box this way. Since I haven't filled my boxes yet, I want to be able to easily open them back up. So I can just, once I tie this, I can slide it on and off. I don't have to actually untie it, which I could. I don't have a problem tying the bow again. But do you guys ever have trouble retying the bow and have it look pretty again and perfect? So this way it will just slide right on and off. Okay, so I'm going to, I want to tie a bow, and I want it to, it's going to sit kind of up in this corner, but I kind of want it to go at an angle like this. It doesn't really matter where I'm tying it right now because I can slide it up and down. So, okay. All right, so this guy we want smaller. I want nice, big, I was going to say fluffy loops. Oh, that looks perfect. And that side looks perfect. So I'm just going to grab my snips and cut this side off about the same. Perfect. So here is my, go a tiny bit shorter. You guys, it's so gloomy out. It's making my lighting look all gloomy. It's actually like 8 in the morning or something, but it's a very rainy, gloomy day. Okay, so I'm going to slide this up just a little because we want to be able to see our cute little skates. We want them to have lots of room. Okay, now I'll grab my skates, which I already stuck the glue dot, and I'm just going to pull this right underneath and pop it down. And that is my cute little box. And like I said, so the ribbon will be able to slide off for when I want to fill it, but this will stay on the top. Excuse me. And let me show you all the boxes. So this one I did with the stripes, which that's really cool. This one, this is all from that frost paper. That's really neat. I guess they're kind of branches. This one has the snowflakes. Don't you love that? I love that paper. And I'll be able to jazz up my bows. I have them stacked, so they're all kind of squishing each other. And then this one is this paper. I guess they're kind of like holly, maybe holly branches. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll check out the cute little baker's boxes and the dies. What did we say those were called again? The skate dies. I just love that set. I want to make something for my friend Holly. She loves ice skates. These detailed skate dies. Yeah, well, that's simple enough to remember. So anyway, hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.